In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and reorder blocks in Notion. This is a quick, practical skill that makes your pages cleaner, more organized, and easier to navigate. Whether you're tidying up notes, rearranging tasks, or moving images, Notion makes it simple with its drag and drop system. I'll walk you through it at a comfortable pace, and by the end, you'll be able to shuffle content exactly where you want it. First, go to Notion. You can use the desktop app or a web browser, whichever you prefer. Once Notion is open, you're ready for the next part. There's nothing to install or enable for this. It's built into how Notion works. Next, go to your page. Open the page that contains the content you'd like to rearrange. Notion organizes everything into blocks, paragraphs, headings, to-dos, images, callouts, and more. Find the specific block you want to move. Now move your mouse slowly to the left side of that block. As you hover there, you'll see a small drag or move handle appear. It usually looks like a set of dots. That's your cue. Click and hold that handle. While holding, drag the block up or down to where you want it to live on the page. As you move it, you'll see a visual guide, often a line, showing the exact spot where the block will land. When the line is in the right place, simply release your mouse or trackpad to drop it there. If you're using a trackpad, a steady press and hold works best. If you don't see the handle right away, try hovering a little to the left of the text or object and give it a moment to appear. You can use the same method for most block types, including text, headings, lists, and images. If a block doesn't move at first, make sure you're grabbing the handle itself and not the text. Also, if your page is long, you can drag toward the top or bottom edge of the screen to scroll while holding the block. And that's it. Done. Your block is now in its new position. If you change your mind, you can undo the move instantly using your keyboard's undo command. Repeat the same simple process for any other blocks you want to rearrange. With a few drags, your page will quickly reflect the order and structure you have in mind. Thanks for following along. Now that you know how to move and reorder blocks in Notion, you can keep your workspace clean, flexible, and easy to update anytime.